In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use sections effectively in Todoist to streamline your workflow and make task management a breeze. So grab a cup of coffee, sit back, and let's dive right in. To get started on this journey towards a more organized workday, open up Todoist either on your browser or using the desktop app and log into your account. This step is pretty straightforward, but it's important as it lays the foundation for everything else we'll do today. Once you're in, you'll want to navigate to your list of projects. If you've already got projects in place, that's great. If not, you can easily click to add a new project and label it so it reflects what you'll be working on or perhaps the goals you aim to achieve. Now that you're in your project space, let's break things down further with sections that serve as individual phases of your project. Consider delineating your project into distinct segments such as planning, in progress, and completed. This helps create a clear visual timeline of where tasks stand in terms of progress. You'll find this especially handy to keep everything on track and ensure that you never lose sight of your project's flow. As tasks pile into your project, you'll need an effective system to prioritize them. That's where sections come into play again. Use these sections to categorize your tasks by urgency. You could have sections titled Urgent, Important, and Optional. This way, when you glance at your project, you'll immediately see what needs your attention first, making priority management a no-brainer. While sections help you organize things efficiently, consider using labels to add another dimension of detail. Labels can indicate priority levels, responsibility, or other criteria that might be useful for quickly surfacing vital tasks. To make things even smoother, take advantage of Todoist's filter feature. This allows you to locate tasks across multiple sections and projects based on labels or other criteria you've set up. Filters provide a focused view, letting you cut through the clutter and get to the heart of your task list swiftly. This systematic approach not only aids in efficient task management, but also ensures your focus remains sharp, allowing for greater productivity and peace of mind. Before you wrap up your session today, take a moment to review what you've set up and make sure it aligns with your overall workflow and goals. And there you have it, a streamlined, effective method for mastering Todoist sections. With these strategies, you're well on your way to a more organized, productive, and stress-free work environment. Thanks for tuning in and happy organizing.